the brick. There's a ladder. There's a ladder right there.
Why you just walk the thing down there? Just push him. Just walk it down there and then you come in.
How did he fall in though? So the guy that fell in, here come the swim team. The guy that fell in don't know how to swim, and the other guy jumped in to save him. Yeah, so I didn't see the guy fall in, but I just see somebody jump in. Apparently the guy in the gray in the middle, he jumped in to save the guy that fell in, and then a third person jumped in. I don't know, I didn't see. All they got to do is walk to this ladder though. This is crazy. Yeah, they just gotta walk him to the ladder. I don't know how he fell in though. Yeah. I was just coming to watch the runners shoot.
That's what I came to see. Who gonna get left?
Well, I expect this. They not getting left because now they on the ship. So that was craziness. And none of the ship people were around. I'm like, where's all the ship people? No one was doing it. The guy in the gray was the one that jumped in to save the other guy. I don't know. I didn't see him fall in. Yeah, the guy climbing up now, he's the one that fell in. Yeah, that's why that guy he like made his way to that pole, and the other guy jumped in right after him.
Yeah, he got too much alcohol in. That's what that is.
And then that other person in blue jumped in a couple minutes later. That's craziness.
Yeah, he's drunk. He's drunk and it's too wrong.
Can't stand.
Yeah, he's drunk.
Yeah, make him sit for a minute or something. And the guy right there, the guy with the life jacket, he jumped in behind him to save him. And then the blue guy, the third guy, was the one that tried to help too.